Write the main topic, polynomial division. Polynomial division. Polynomial division. We can use the method of long division to divide polynomial by another polynomial functions, right? Check this one. 20 is divided by 6. 3 into 6, 18, remainder is 2. We called 2 is the remainder, 3 quotient, 20 is dividend, 6 is divisor, right? Dividend is divided by divisor, quotient, remainder. This is the format of long division, right? Write down this one. We can use the method of long division to divide one polynomial by another polynomial function. One polynomial by another polynomial function. Then write the subtopic, format of long division. Write down this one. Dividend is divided by divisor, quotient, remainder. This is the format of long division. Right. Write down the question. Simplify the followings by long division n. Write the quotient and remainder. Write the quotient and remainder of each. Write the quotient and remainder of each. Question number 1. S cube plus 8x squared plus 15x plus 20 divided by s plus 1. Dividend is s cube plus 8x squared plus 15x plus 20 divided by x plus 1. How to simplify this one? First step is choose the leading term of dividend and divisor. Choose the leading term of dividend and divisor. Leading term of dividend is s cube. Leading term of divisor is simple x. Then try to convert leading term of dividend into leading term of dividend. Try to convert leading term of divisor into leading term of dividend. How to convert x into s cube? We have to check the indices, right? Here power of x is 1, power of x is 3. Then simple x should be multiplied by x squared x into s squared become s cube. So, first term of quotient is x squared. First term of quotient is s squared. Then all term of the divisor, all terms of the divisor should be multiplied by s squared. X into s squared become s cube. X squared into 1 x squared. S cube plus s squared plus 15s plus 20. Here s cube plus s squared. Check the second line. There is no s terms and constant term. There is no s terms and constant term. We can assume x term is 0x, constant term is 0. If there is no s term or constant term, we can assume there is a x and constant term as 0x and 0, right? Then subtract these two polynomials. S cube minus s cube 0, 8x squared minus s squared, 7x squared, 15 minus 0, 15x, 20 minus 0 plus 20. Now, choose the leading term of this polynomial. Leading term is 7x squared. Leading term of divisor is x. We have to think how to convert x into 7x squared. How to convert x into 7x squared? Simple, x should be multiplied by 7x. X into 7x become 7x squared. So, second term of quotient is 7x. 7x into x become 7x squared. 7x into 1 is 7x. The function 7x squared plus 7x, there is no constant term. We can assume constant term is 0. Subtract these two polynomials, right? 7x squared minus 7x squared 0, 15x minus 7x is 8x, 20 minus 0 plus 20. Now, leading term of this polynomial 8. How to convert x into 8x? 8 x multiplied by 8. 8 into x, 8x, 8 into 1 plus 8, remainder is 12, right? Now, we can't convert x into 12. We cannot convert x into 12, right? Therefore, remainder is 12, quotient is x squared plus 7x plus 8. Quotient equal x squared plus 7x plus 8. Write down the remainder. Remainder equal 12. Right. Second question. Four x cube plus 15x squared plus 30x plus 70 divided by x plus 2. Right. Dividend is 4x cube plus 15 x squared plus 30x plus 70. divisor is x plus 2. How to convert x into 4x cube? Leading terms of dividend is 4x cube, leading term of divisor is x, right? So, we have to convert x into 4x cube, then x should be multiplied by 4x squared. 4x squared into x become 4x cube, 4x squared into 2 become 8x squared. There is no x terms and constant term. We can assume x term is 0x, constant term is 0. Subtract these two polynomials. 4x cube minus 4x cube 0, no need to write 0. 15 minus 8 become 7x squared, 30 minus 0, 30x plus 70. Now, leading term is 7x squared. X should be converted to 7x squared. How to convert x into 7x squared, right? The term x multiplied by 7x, right? Second term of quotient is 7x. 7x into x becomes 7x squared. 7x into 2, 14x. Constant term is 0. Actually, no need to write 0, right? Simplify these two polynomials. 30 minus 14, 16x plus 70. New leading term is 16x. We can convert x into 16x. We can convert x into 16x, right? X should be multiplied by 16. 16 is plus 16 into 2 become 32. Remainder is 38. Remainder is 38, right? We can't convert simple x into 38, right? We can't convert simple x into 38, right? Then remainder. Finally, we got the remainder. Remainder is 38. Quotient is 4x squared plus 7x plus 16. Quotient 4x squared plus 7x plus 16. Remainder equals 38. Right. Question number 3. S cube plus 10x squared plus 19x plus 50 divided by x plus 2. S cube plus 10x squared plus 19x plus 50 divided by x plus 2. We have to convert x into s cube, then s multiplied by x squared. X cube plus 2x squared. 8x squared plus 19x plus 50, right? How to convert x into 8x squared? Simple x multiplied by 8x. Second term of quotient is 8x. 8x squared plus 16x. How to get 8x squared and 16x? 8x into x, 8x squared, 8x into 2, 16x, 3x plus 50. We can convert x into 3x. X should be multiplied by 3. 3x plus 6, 44. Therefore, remainder is 44. Quotient x square plus 8x plus 3. Right? Write the quotient. X squared plus 8x plus 3, remainder equal 44.